Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this tutorial was inspired by Dulce candy. I love Dulce candy. I had to do Dulce candy. She was one of the first YouTubers that I followed when she used to do her tutorials in her closet. And I was always obsessed with her tutorials. I was always obsessed with her in general because she's such a sweet, genuine human being, and her family is just like the cutest ever. And I just watched her vlog and I fell in love with her makeup. She had like this beautiful gold shimmery color on the lid, like nice brown neutral tones in the crease, a nice beautiful nude gloss. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe before you leave and hit the notification bell. That way you guys get a notification when I upload my videos and don't get lost. But let's get started with the tutorial. So I'm starting off with this facial oil by Morgan Miller, and it is a collagen facial oil. Next, I'm going to prime with my Becca Cosmetics Velvet Blur Primer. So this really helps blur and smooth your skin. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline 24-Hour Foundation in shade 128. And I'm just going to tap it all over my face and use my broken Real Techniques sponge to blend it out. So to cover up these dark circles, I'm taking my Becca Cosmetics Under Eye Corrector, which is like a peach brightening concealer for underneath your eyes. And after I blend it out with my fingers, I'm taking my Naked Skin concealer and just blending it out. So I'm gonna add a lot of powder underneath my eyes. That way when I do my shadow and I have any fallout, I can just brush it away. For eyeshadow, I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette with my Sigma E40 brush. The first shade I'm taking is called So Bougie, which is my transition shade. And I'm just going to blend that out onto my crease, but really focus it on the outer corner. And I'm going to build up that shadow. I'm taking a card and I'm taking Cocoa Truffle and really focusing that color on the outer corner of my eyes and building it up. So the little card trick just adds like a nice sharp edge to your shadow. That way you don't have to go back with a makeup remover or a wipe to clean it up. This also helps with fallout, so it's great. The key here is to just keep blending back and forth, making sure that there are no harsh lines and building up that color slowly. So start off with a light eyeshadow, then go on to medium and then dark. So now I'm taking the black shade in the palette and just working that in the outer corner of my eyes. I'm not really blending it too much, but just really focusing it on the outer corner. So as you guys can tell, that gold is like right there. Sometimes we have like these beautiful metallic shimmery colors and it doesn't go on like really good. Blending E25 or like any flat kind of fluffy blending brush, if you wet it and grab that color, when I dust it off, it doesn't really come out. Like if I use a flat synthetic brush, I feel like a lot of the shadow just gets all over the place. I've been trying out like pigmented colors with this brush and it's been like amazing because it picks up the pigment in the shadow really good. It deposits all that pigment into your lid without making a huge mess. And good. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back in with the first brush that I use, which is my Sigma Tapered Blending in E40, which is like one of my favorite blending brushes. And I'm gonna go back in with Cocoa Truffle, tap it off, and I'm just going to blend any harsh lines with the gold, just so it blends very good. Then I'm gonna pick up So Bougie and just go into my crease. So any extra like glitter or shimmer that needs to go, that's loose, could go, because that way when we do our winged liner, it's very black and you don't have like shimmer on it. So I'm gonna do my winged eyeliner, and of course I'm using my liquid liner by the Balm. If you guys have not watched my winged liner tutorial, you can check it out and see how this baby works. It's amazing, I love it. So I'm just gonna do my wing, and for lashes, I'm gonna apply my lashes after my winged liner. I'm gonna take these by Eyeliner and Vegas. They're the Golden Goddess lashes. I saw that Dulce had like these very pretty straight fluffy lashes, and these are like very similar to those, so I'm gonna put these on and see how they look with this eyeshadow. So in her vlog, her wings are thicker and they're a little bit more dramatic, and it looked really, really pretty, so I went on and did more of a dramatic wing. Alright guys, I put my lashes on. Lashes make such a beautiful, huge difference. So with this brush that I use, the Morphe E13 that I use for the black outer corner, I'm just like cleaning it off a little bit. And I'm going to take Cocoa Truffle, dust some off, and apply it to my lower lash and just smudge it to my lower lash line, because she does have like some shadow on the bottom, but it's not like too dramatic. Something like this, it just adds a little bit of color to the bottom. And of course, mascara to the lower lashes makes a beautiful difference to the eyes. And I'm taking my Maybelline Total Temptation, which I did mention it, of course, like a lot of the products that I'm using in this video, I did mention in my previous video, and I did talk about them a little bit more because they're just amazing products that I've been using a lot, as you can see. So I'm gonna actually use this cream contour kit by Sleek in shade medium. I've never used this kit before, but I do want to bronze up my face to add a little bit of definition and color. Love Sleek's packaging, of course. It's super thin, and they are cream contour shades. These cream colors are gonna be amazing for me for the summertime when I'm more tan, because I'm going to be able to use them. I'm actually going to take these top two colors up here and apply them to my cheekbones, forehead, and jaw to see how it blends. So I'm just going to take this brush. My friend Mariella gave them to me, and I'm just going to dip it in here and see. It's very creamy and thick, but it looks really pretty. I'm going to actually mix these two together and just contour. Alright guys, so I ended up actually taking these too light for contour. I love how these two look mixed together. Oh my gosh. It's like the perfect color. Cream contouring is pretty easy. You just gotta get down the basics, like forehead and then right here. And then you want to make sure you blend it out. This brush, I've never used these before. It's kind of new for me. Just to blend it. They blend pretty good. That was pretty fast. I kind of like it. Mariella, girl, why don't you like these brushes? I kind of like them for cream contouring. It just does it for you. Please bear with me if I'm using this wrong, because I've never used these before. It looks good. I'm gonna apply some right here. I do wish that this palette had more of a cool tone brown in it. I mean, this one's like pretty cool tone, but it's not like too cool, just so it's better with contouring, like right here. And of course, to set it, I'm gonna take my Becca Capri Coast bronzer and just apply it over that contour just so it sets and it lasts. So for highlight, I'm taking the good old So Hollywood by Anastasia. And then for lips, she has like this really pretty nude, but I'm gonna mix these two together. This one is Abu Dhabi by NYX Cosmetics in the soft lip cream. Very nude, but I did want to apply that one underneath just so that this one doesn't look too nude. Something like this. It looked really pretty on her, and the shadow really popped on her lids. It looked so pretty. I loved it. With my Urban Decay All Nighter spray, but she has like her curls and like her pretty hoop earrings and like her beautiful gold color on the lid. But that is it for this video, guys. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.